Okay, welcome to another class of C programming. We will be continuing to the topic of pointers again. In the last class, we had a discussion that pointer is a special variable that holds the address of another variable. Now, in this class, we are going to have a discussion over the operators used with pointers. So we have two categories of pointers used, two categories of operators used with pointers. So let's try to define them. Okay, the first one is, I'm just first writing the symbol, and the second one is, we call it, this one is called as ampersand, A-M-P-E-R, C-and-T. This is called ampersand, and the other one is called asterisk symbol. Now, the ampersand operator represents the meaning as address of. Okay, whereas our asterisk symbol represents the value at address. Fine. Meaning that if I write ampersand A, if I write this with a variable, the meaning is we are talking about the address of variable A, okay, which is the memory location we are talking. Whereas if I write this, the meaning is value at A, okay, the value at A. Now, definitely when I say value at A, that means this A should be a address in this case. Okay, in the previous case, the A is defined as the variable, but in case of when I say asterisk A, that means I'm talking about value at A, and definitely if I'm talking about value at A, this A should be an address. It cannot be a variable. Okay. Let's see this with one example set. Okay, in the example, as you can see on the screen, we will be using both the operators in a program and test that how they work with the pointers in C. So first, in the main function, we will be first creating certain variables. So let's say integer n is equal to 5. Now I'm writing a comment to just specify this is my variable declaration part. Okay, I have declared here a variable as of now. Now I'm going to declare one pointer to represent the address of this variable. So I will be writing, because I have the data type as integer for variable, I should have one pointer which is of integer type. So integer, and now we will be using our one operator which is asterisk, and this asterisk is going to represent the address that we are talking about, address. Okay, so this is the how we declare our pointers. This is our pointer declaration. Fine. Now we will be using the next symbol to assign the value of address for the variable. Now with this assignment, what I am doing is I am assigning the address of my variable, which is n, address of n, to the pointer p. Okay, this is my assignment part. Now these are the statements in which what I have done. I have as you can see, this is the screen where we had a discussion over here, that this represent address and this represent value at address. So value at address is nothing but we are talking about a pointer which holds certain address, and it is going to represent the what is the value at this address. Now come again. Now my purpose is I have used both the operators. Now I'm going to present that what is the value in p as of now. Okay, so let's have a print statement. Inside the print statement, I want to print the address of, okay, there are three these, address of variable. What is my variable? Variable is n. And now remember what I said, format specifier will be this entire p, and now I have to give the value where we have the address. Now clearly we have made a pointer using asterisk symbol, and that pointer is assigned with the value of address of n, right? Ampersand n, that means we have already given that. So I can simply write p here to get that value. Let's put a statement terminator over here and let's execute. What I'm expecting as an output is some hexadecimal address location where this n is declared, where the value of n is stored. We're talking about the address part. Okay, so we have made the use of both the operators. Asterisk operator is used to find the value at address, and in order to declare a pointer, we will always use with the variable this asterisk symbol. A pointer can only hold the address value, not any data element. A pointer, if the pointer is declared integer, it can only hold the address of integer variable. If float pointer is declared, it will hold the value of float and float data type, and likewise. So that's all for pointers. Now we'll have some more facts about pointers in our next video. Thank you so much.